Hello there. This is Collins Dev, a full stack developer. So I'm extremely excited to launch a full stack multi-vendor e-commerce platform. So in simple terms, this is a marketplace. So this marketplace was built on top of Next.js, Postgres, Tailwind, and other nice, interesting technologies like React query. So let's dive in and we see the main features of this site. So the site is a full stack e-commerce, multi-vendor e-commerce platform, having the admin dashboard, having the vendor dashboard, having the user dashboard, having multiple filters, having a nice user experience. The site is fully responsive. So when you check, so this is how the homepage looks like. The site is fully responsive. The site is blazing fast. When you load here, you see that the site is blazing fast. Everything loads at a fast rate. Everything is so fast. Everything is so fast. When you see here, the site is fully responsive as explained earlier. When you check here, it's responsive. It is fully responsive. So for all developers, businessmen, for the developers, the source code will be available at the end of the video, and for businessmen, the platform is already ready to be used. So let's go through all the nice features in on our platform. So when you come here, so these are our departments. We have in the toys, the baby, the electronics. They are the same here on top. We're having all this navigation menu on top here. All these ones are our departments. So inside the departments, we shall find the categories, which are these ones. So inside the categories, we shall also find the subcategories, as we are going to see. So this is let me visit the department page. So before I visit the department page, all these campaigns are coming straight from the backend, plus these promotions here. All these ones are the mega deals, the new arrivals this week, the best featured ones are all coming from the database. These promotions here are coming straight from the database. So let us go and visit the department detail page, and we see. So this is the department detail page, having a listing of all our categories. So on the department detailed page, we have all the products listed concerning the department that we clicked in. So we clicked on electronics. So you see all the categories inside the electronics. There will be the ones displayed here. So they are displayed here, plus the products, some products inside them. So let us visit the category detailed page. So you see how fast the site is. Automatically after clicking this, you see that everything is loading. It doesn't take even 2 seconds. So this is completely a nice e-commerce platform. So you will see that this is the category detailed page, having all our subcategories listed. So let me having all these are the subcategories listed here. Uh, we are going to see how you can upload all these products straight from the backend. So let me visit one of the subcategory detailed page, and you see. So on the subcategory detailed page is where we find all our filters. So you can filter products by the lower price, higher price, the new arrivals. You can filter products. So let me filter from low to high, and you see everything. So you see how fast the site is. So you can filter by category here. You can filter all these by category. You can filter by brands. Let me say you want a quantum font. Let me say you click this. So automatically quantum fonts will be filtered. You are having all new arrivals listed here. So all these are some of the, so you can also filter by price. Let me say the price range. Let me apply like here. So after applying, you see the price range that I have listed here are the same products that are being listed. But see how fast this is, guys. So we have the we have Stripe integrated into the site, as you are going to see. So we have also add to cart. So we are having much more features in this Kartify template. So let me add this to cart, and we see how we can purchase these products. So these products are listed by the products listed by various vendors on our platform. So far I've added, or I already had some products in the cart. So these are the products inside our cart, and this is how our cart looks like, as you see. So let me try to check out, and we see how Stripe is integrated into this site. Oh, they are saying I should log in first. So let me log in as a normal user. So I'll use that email to log in as a normal user. So you're having Google authentication also working and also integrated. So it will take me straight to the checkout page. So let me enter my full details. Being that I don't want this to take too long, let me just put in my credentials somewhere. Let me say Kampala, the postcode, let me put that. Standard shipping, express shipping. So I'll leave it at standard shipping. I can put it at express, but let me leave it at standard shipping. So I proceed. So when I proceed, they will tell me, are you using Visa or so? I will proceed still to payment. You will see that they are going to Stripe is fully integrated onto the site, guys. Stripe is fully integrated, so a user can buy products using the Stripe card or the Stripe integration. So I can proceed this. I can proceed the payment. So these are my. You see that these are my products here listed here. So the payment is still proceeding. So it is a success. I So my payment was successfully. So your order number. So you can view your orders. You can view your orders. So this is the user or the customer dashboard. So the customer has ability to view all his orders, the ones he has purchased. He can view them. He can view them. You can have a detailed view of this order. The one you can see that the order is now processing, and the payment is complete, and this is the money he has paid. So this is nice. So on top here, on the user dashboard, so you see that the user is having all these nice analytics. So this is peers having a total number of products, one completed orders. So this order has not been completed. As you're going to see, pending orders is still one. The total amount spent on our site is 2.9k. So you're having all these and all your orders listed. So you'll be having the pending orders, the completed orders, all listed here. So you have notifications. Notifications are fully integrated here on the site. So you're having all our orders. You're having also the ability to change the password. So that's the site for our normal user. So let's go back and we visit. Let's go back and we visit and we try to see how a user can become a vendor on our site. But before we do that, we first go and view our admin dashboard, and we try to modify things on the front end, as we are going to see. So let me first log out here. Let me first log out and try to log in as an admin. Let me log in as an admin. So these are the credentials for admin. Sign in. Password is okay. Close this. So you see all your analytics as the main admin. So this is so nice, guys. So the admin is having all these analytics of the site. Everything here, you have all the recent orders, the top selling products, the top vendors that you're having on your site. You're having all your revenue listed. So how the revenue is accumulated by the admin. So each and every time a customer makes an order to the vendor product, so an admin will get a 10% commission. So as you see here, this revenue is being accumulated from the 10% that the admin is collecting from each order that is being purchased or that is being made by a customer. So you're having all your analytics, so you can view you can filter your analytics by today, you can filter your analytics by yesterday. So yesterday we didn't make anything, so you see that, but today we have made an order as I displayed earlier. So you see that today we're having total orders of one, total vendors. Today we don't have active total vendors who have joined today, but at the end of the video, as we are going to see the process of becoming a vendor, you see that this will also be modified. So you're having the sales trend, you're having the category distribution, the products by category. So these are listed for today. So let me leave it at all time, but due the length of the video, let me make this fast. So you're having all your departments listed here. So you can add a new department, you can delete a department, you can modify a department, you can deactivate a department. So all these are nicely. So here, let me say I'm searching for kids department. The search is already working as integrated. Here you can add a new department here. We are going to see that in the coming minutes. You're having all your categories listed. You're having all your categories listed. You're having all your subcategories also listed. So this is the admin dashboard. So you're having the brands also listed, plus you're having your products listed. So here, let me try to add a product and we see what happens. So an admin can also add a product. So you're having all these products listed here on your table. So let me try to add a new product and we see. So this product, let me say it is television, 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 uh, Mini Cooper, new, new license. Yes, okay. Brief. This I can give a brief description. This is a nice uh, television. Okay, so a full description. So these are all going to be listed on the product detail page, as we are going to see in a minute. So this is a full description of of our testing product. So this has to be detailed, so I can just insert and not waste time. So I can just insert something. So I'll press next. So our product price, let me say it is $30. On stock, let me say it is 3. The stock alert, let me say 2. So this stock alert, you're going to see the importance. So the activeness of the product. So SKU, the stock keeping unit, let me say it is in units. Let me leave it at units. The barcode, everything, the new arrival, the discount. So are you going to give discount to this product? If not, you can switch it off. So next. So let me upload the images of this product. So let me say these are for my images here. So I'll say the first image will be that. So first is the preview image. Then here you will see all your images. So here you can add more images, the ones that you want. So the first one is the preview image. So these ones are the product images going to be viewed on the product detailed page. So you can add attributes. Attributes, I mean the color of this product. It can be anything. So let me say we're having it in large, we're having it in large, we're having it in so many. So let me add this large. No, sorry. So this is color. No, this is size. So size, we're having it in large. Add attribute, large. So again, size, you're having it in medium. So all these ones are the attributes of that product. So attribute already added. Okay, so let me say the color. The color is, let me say we have it in black. If there is a black, if there is a black, if there are differences in colors with televisions, but this is just a test. item. So you make sure it is active. So let me create. Oh, they are saying we need to select the department. So each product belongs to a department, a category, and a subcategory. So let me select. So this is electronics. Yes. So in electronics, you're having like phones, games, cameras, smart home. So where are the televisions? So I'll leave it at the smart homes. So the smart homes, you're having the speakers. Let me leave it at security. So the brand, let me say the Plus, the EcoBeats. So I'll leave the brand there. So this is a test product. So you create. Oh, product has been successfully created. So let us go back here and we see if it has been uploaded to the products. So the name of the product was yes, it is here, television Mini Cooper. So this is our product and it is fully active. It is active. You can view it. You can view the details of this product. But when you go back here on the home page, let us go on the home page and we try to search and see if this product has been transformed from the back end to the front end. So let me search this product here, enter search. So after searching, let us see if our product has been successfully. Yes. So when you search that same product, you see that this is our search page. So this is how it looks like. So you can view the detailed page. So this is how the product detailed page looks like. So you see that the product, all the other images that we uploaded are all here. So you can add it. So you're having all this. So you can add a review to this product. So let me add a review. Okay, I'll add a review. Okay, I can also add here a review. So this is a nice product. Let me submit. So how many stars can I give this? Let me say 4. Okay, then submit. So the review, you see that we have successfully reviewed. So all the product reviews will be listed here. This will be important for new customers visiting this product to see how many reviews this site is. So you see that it has been successfully uploaded here. So this is nice. This is nice, guys. So you're having all the other attributes that we uploaded, the size, we have this large, the color, we have the black, the overview of the product. So this is a nice, so this is the short description and this is the detailed description that we saw. You're having the similar products listed here. You're having all your popular categories also listed. So let us go back to our dashboard and we visit other nice features. So go back to the dashboard, click here to bring back our dashboard. So you're having all the so these are found on the catalog. So you're having all your users listed. So your all the total users on your platforms are listed here. You're having the total the role. So the platform is integrated with roles and permissions. So you're having the roles of these users also listed here. So you can view them. So you can view them here. All these are the users that we have. So all the customers. So the vendors are also listed here. So the admin can manage his vendors. This is so nice, guys. So all your vendors are listed here, the total products they are having, their details here. You can view their details. When you click view, you see all your vendors and their stores listed here. You see all their products that they are uploaded so far also listed here. So these are their informations. All these guys, this is so nice. This is so nice. All these details are for the vendors. Your vendors are listed here. So you're having the vendor applications. When I go back here a minute, you're having all your vendors. So you can filter by a month, you can search all your vendors, you can export and import. All these features are working. So all your vendors are listed. So the vendor applications. So this is some nice area to focus on. So if a vendor uploads or if a vendor requests or a customer requests to become a vendor and submits his application, so all the applications will be viewed here. All these are the total applications sent from vendors or from customers who want to become vendors listed to our admin store. So you're having the total stores, you're having the pending ones. So these ones are the pending stores that I have to approve. So these are the approved ones. So they are 3, and the rejected ones. So we don't have any rejected vendor wanting to register his store. So you can view the details before approving this vendor. You can view his details. You can view the banner, the documents, so the business license, the ID proof, the information of this vendor, all the settings. You can disable the store. You can view everything here. You can contact the owner. In this case, you can view his full profile, all these ones. So before you approve anyone, you have to first see all these details. So after you seeing, now this user is already approved. So you can either reject, if not, you can approve. So all these applications are listed here as you have seen here. So this is where you can manage your vendor applications. So you're having the total sales on your platforms also listed here. So you see that all the total sales are listed here. So this is where you can see your commission from. So far you have made a commission of $385. So you're having one active vendor. So how does a vendor become active? So if a vendor has one product and more, this vendor means this vendor is active. So he will be listed here. So the total sales that so far the platform has generated, the total orders on this platform. So this is for the last 30 days. You can filter for today, you can filter for 7 days and last year. All these filters are working as intended. So for today, when you click today, you see that, oh, this the total vendors. Oh, okay, we are already, yes, we have already made today total orders, which are 4 orders among others. So these are the orders that we made. Remember the other sale that we made. So it had 4 orders in it. So the 4 orders generated a commission of this amount from and made. So the sale made the total amount of this. So you're having all your customers listed here, all that listed here. So you're having all your customers. So you're having the campaigns. Oh, this is interesting. So did you see the other campaigns that we saw on the front end? So they are here. You can delete, edit, and also add a new campaign. You can add new promotions. Oh, this is nice, guys. So you're having all your site fully customized. You're having all your site fully customized to the way you want it. So let me add a new campaign and we try to see will it appear on the front. So let me say this is beauty product, beauty campaign. The description, this is a beauty campaign. Or the promotion, the campaign date. So when will it start? It will start from let me say May to let me say July. Okay, that will be. So here on the campaign, you can select the products, the products that you want to promote. So a campaign is having also a detailed page, as we are going to see. So you can if you want, so a vendor can request you to promote his product. So here you can filter basing on vendors. So this vendor does not have. Which vendor is having? So Cooper is having one item. So you can try to promote. This campaign can be promoting the vendor products. So let me say I'm promoting Cooper, his products here, and you can also search by name. So when you come down here after selecting, you can create a campaign. So campaign created successfully. So when you go back here, you see that our campaign, oh, I didn't add an image. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so I can edit this campaign. Yeah, this is nice, guys. So I didn't add here an image. So let me add a campaign image here. Campaign image. Taking too long to load. Okay, it has successfully loaded as intended. So the campaign banner has been loaded. So this is how it looks like. So let me update our campaign and go back, and we see, has it the image, has it successfully, oh, it has successfully been uploaded. So let us visit the main site and we see, is our campaign available? And if it is available, can we view the products that we are trying to make campaign for? So these are others that we have. So the campaign isn't there, so I know why it is not there. So the system specifically shows 8 campaigns. So let us try and so let us go back here. When we go back and we try to adjust, let me say I want to let me say I delete this, campaign, and then I go back to our homepage and then reload, and we see, being that, okay, this has to be adjusted because it has to be accompanied by all the campaigns available. So let me reload this and we see if our campaign has successfully been uploaded. So being that our system is limiting only 3, so that will be edited. So it has to appear here. So others, you see that others are also having the detailed page of, you see that all these ones are the detailed page of the campaign itself. So we can also adjust that. So let us go and look at other features. So let us go back to the dashboard. We are seeing some nice more features. So the same thing for the campaigns. You can upload a new promotion. So the promotions will be updated on the front end also. So we come here on product approvals. So not each and every time that the product or the vendor uploads the product it will go straight to the front end. So the admin has to come and first views the product and approves it. Not each and every time that the product is created straight from the vendors is uploaded straight to the front end or to our site. So the admin is having access to the products being uploaded to the site, making it like more authentic. You don't want like unauthentic products to be uploaded on your site. So all these ones are the active ones. The inactive ones are also listed here. So you can approve when you click on this item, and you will come and view its detailed page, things that the vendor uploaded. So everything here. So you can either delete. So after deleting, this will go straight to the inactive products. So you can activate the product here if it is okay. If it is okay, like this one, you can activate it, or you can move it to draft or deactivate, but you can also delete, being if you find it unauthentic. So you're having all your own. So those are how you manage your products. You're having the orders also listed here, the total orders. So you can view, you can update the status of the product. From now, this one is in processing. You can say delivered or cancelled. So all these ones are also straight being uploaded or being managed by the admin. So you're having the highest amount, the lowest amount. You can filter orders by their highest amount, their lowest amount. So you're having the reports. So you're having the product report, whereby we will bring analytics concerning the products. The total revenues are generated today out of stock products. So you see how many vendors are having out of stock products. So you see everything, how your departments are performing, your brands are performing. The top selling products are also listed here. All the trending products, the low stock, the vendor, you see each and everything by vendor, everything here. So you're having all your inventory report here also listed. So this is admin taking control of over everything. So having all your so this the inventory management. So you can update the stock of the product. You can update the stock of the product. You can see the vendor who uploaded this product. So if you are the one, like the one that we have just uploaded, meaning we shall see that I'm the one who has uploaded. You can edit or update the product. All these are being so you can also filter out the way you want. So all these are the inventory posts. So we're having the roles and permission. This is where things become interesting. So on your platform, you can say that I want my secretary to be the one that approves my product, not not me, the admin, to do that work. So it will be hectic for you to manage all those things. So you can create new roles on your site to help you manage these functionalities or your site. So you can add a new role. So all these are so far the total roles. So let me say I want my manager as a description. So this is my manager. So you can select your manager. What are the things that he's supposed to do? Can he view all the users? Yes. Can he create the new roles? No. Can he view the categories content? Can he read? Can he update? Can he delete? Can he view the product, the commerce? Can he view the total sales on the platform? Can he view the total and he view and create, or you can say all, select all, these will select all, or can he view the customers, can he create an update? So all these, can he view our reports, can he view our vendor applications? So if you want all, can he view our vendor application, can he view the settings? So these are, now you are trying to assign permissions to this manager. So after you say create. So after creating, you see that we have successfully created a role of a manager. So we are going to assign this role to a user. So the user will be able to, when a user logs in, will be able to see only those the permissions that you have given him. So this is nice. You see that we have in the wish list. So the platform is having wish list. So and this wish list, the customer can add products to his wish list as other platforms. So you can make this public. When you make this public, you'll be able to share a link to your friends. You can copy this. You can share it on Facebook, on Twitter, and all other platforms. So you can share. So automatically the wish list will bring these products. So when you make it public or private, when you change this to private, you'll be able, the share will not be able to work. Yeah, you cannot share now this, you cannot share your wish list. So this is interesting, guys. So let us go back and see other important things. So you're having the total notifications. So if a vendor registers, as we are going to see, if a vendor registers on the platform, a notification will be sent to you that you have a new vendor who has registered. So you're having your profile here and the settings. So the notifications here are looking like this. So let us go and view at the vendor side. Or let us first view how a vendor becomes a how a customer becomes a vendor. So when you go back to the homepage and scroll down, you see that we are having this sell with us. So you're having this landing page of sell with us, the pricing, everything here. So let me say you want to get started. But let me first, okay, I've logged out. Yeah, I was checking. Uh, Sell with us. Yeah. So let me get started. So let me, they will say before you sell with us, first make an account. You have an account? If you have, then you insert the details. So I'll sign in as a normal user. So remember, this is the password for the normal user. So they will say, how you want to become a vendor. So enter the details. So this is uh, an onboarding page whereby you enter or you request to become a vendor. So upload a vendor, a vendor, vendor logo. So vendor name. So I'll use here, being that we are talking about, I'll use fake filler to insert those details. So please upload the store. Okay, that has been loaded. So your business name. So let me use that. So where are you located? Let me say Angola. The state that you are in. Let me put that. Even this. You guessed it, yes. So no, I say no. So here is when you put the ID proof. Let me put this. Even the business license. So all these, remember, the admin was having access to these applications. So after, press next. The banner, your store banner, you enter. So the store description, so this is a store that works or deals with mainly electronics and user appliances. Social media links, do you have any? Yes, so I'll put any. Next. So you're having all your preview, the preview that you are soon submitting. So you're having the store name, the email, everything here has been, so you can view everything here before you submit your application. So my name is Robert. Robert. The store name is Robert. Everything here. So let me try to submit my application. So submitting. You already have a store. Please update your existing store. So this store is already up to date or is already there on the application. So let me try to find a way and log in to another user. So this user already signed in and we see. So let me just create a new account and we see if this will work. So let us create a new account. So I'll say the new account is Colwell James. The email is Colwell James 76. Then password. Then we create an account. So when you create an account, you'll be redirected to the verify your email. So let us first check our inbox if we have received this email here. So let me refresh. Yes, we have a new from Kartify. So this is our token in this case. So I'll copy this, take it back here, paste it here, then verify. So it has successfully been verified. So I'll say Colwell James as a new user. I'll say my new password. So let me first log in and I see. So this is the new user called Colwell James. So let me first go back as we are doing. We are trying to send a new application to, or we want to become vendors to a platform. So you get started, you have to make sure you have an account. So let me upload this. So initially, the user that we used already had requested. So this is Colwell James. Trying to, so the email that we used is Colwell. So this is the business email. So it can be different from what it can be different from the one that. So if you have a website, you insert there. It can be different from the one of the actual user. So I'll use here fake filler. Don't want to waste time. So the countries, let me say Algeria. Next, no thanks. So ID proof, let me say this will be this, and then upload this here, then enter next. So these are the ID proof and the business license. All this will be reviewed by the admin. So the banner, press enter. So store description, this is a store, store for electronics and merchandise and others. So this is, so if you have your social media links, you upload them there. You press next. So you'll be lastly on the last before you submission, you first visit the step for the review. So this is the review step. Everything here. If you want to edit now, you can go back and edit. But if everything is okay, now submit your application. So submission is in progress. So you see that now your store application is under review. So meaning you have submitted. And when you check your notifications, new vendor registration, you see that you have registered. So let me now change and go to the admin, and we see if Caldwell James has successfully been approved. So in this case, let me use the login with Google. Hopefully it works. Yeah, it has worked as I intended, being that I already used it, so it will automatically redirect me to the application. So let me visit the vendor management, then the applications. So my applications here, you see that my total stores are 2, they are 5. So you see that Caldwell James is here. Oh, this is nice. So I can view details for Caldwell James, Caldwell James, his store, everything, the social media links, everything, if they are all okay. His documents, you can view the documents. Is the document okay? Yes, you can view everything here. So after reviewing, you can approve or reject, or you can change it to what? To you can disable or you can verify. So let me approve it here. Approve. So after you approving, so you have approved. So store approved successfully. So what happens? So as Caldwell James, let us go and visit. You see that they have sent us a notification inviting us to approve. So I'll click this, then complete store. So they'll redirect me to activation process. So I'll say Caldwell James 70, then I enter my password, then I sign in, and I see if this vendor account activated successfully. Then you log in. Okay. So you see that Caldwell James is now a vendor. So this is how the vendor account or the vendor dashboard looks like. He can upload his products here. Let us try to upload our product, and we see Caldwell James. So this is test product, and description. This is a test product. So these are test products and waiting to be approved by by an admin. Okay, hopefully that will be enough. Price, let me say this is $30. Stock keeping unit. So if the product goes below the stock keeping unit, you will see that this one, the stock goes below the stock keeping unit, you will be notified that your product is running low of stock. So these are units. Barcode, no, it doesn't have. So my image, the first preview image, I'll use these ones. Then my images here, I'll use this one and this one. So I upload. So those I'm uploading my images. So let me continue. Press next. Color, size, sorry, size. This is large. Add attributes. So you can add more attributes the way you want. So this is kids fashion. So kids fashion does not have a category. So let me say, I think electronics have wardrobe, so they don't have. Let me see, home appliances. Do they have subcategories? No. I think let me try to. Which one does this have? No. Oh, the gaming, the monitors, headphones. Do they have? No. So if they don't have, you click this and you add a new one. But for me, I don't want to add. Laptops, do they have? Yes, they have. So I'll click that. Okay. Publish product. So this is the vendor. You see that even the vendor status here has changed. So after publishing, you go back to your products. You see that you have uploaded the product and it's waiting, and currently it is inactive and it is waiting to be approved. So you can view your sales here. So if a customer makes a sale, you can view all your sales here. You can view all your reports, the product reports. Let me say you're having low, the products reports, your trends. You can view everything here. So the top selling products, your trending ones, everything here, you can view them. Your inventory, you can view your inventory, meaning here you can update your stock here, everything here. So you can view your wish list. So this is the dashboard for our vendor. So let me log out. So let me log out and let me go to the admin dashboard, and I see if the product if there are products to be approved. So are there any pending products? Yes, you see that we are in admin dashboard, and this is the test product waiting to be approved. So you first review it. Is everything okay? The pricing okay? Is the pending okay? Is everything okay? So you activate what? You activate the product. So this product is live and visible to customers. So when you come back to this, and I go back to inventory and I visit the products, so you see that it is now what? Is now active and waiting and being viewed by the actual customers. So when you come back here and you search for test product, and we see if now the customers can find it, oh, you see that now it is visible here. Yes, it is now visible. And even if you go and you try to, so let me go to electronics and I go, which category did I put it? Was it the, I remember the laptops? Yes. So uh, which was it? It was what? I'm forgetting. HP, then Ultrabooks. Okay, let me visit here, the Chromebooks, and I see. So you see here, down here, on the filters. So a customer can filter by seller. So when you click this, so this seller doesn't have the items belonging to Chromebooks. But if we are in the other filters there, if the vendor has products that belong to the Chromebooks, it will be displayed here. So currently he doesn't, meaning we uploaded it to other category, to other subcategory. What was it? Was it Ultra Chrome? So here this one doesn't have. Okay, but that's how everything is integrated on our site. So everything is fast, everything is editable. You see that everything is now working as intended. Everything is fast and blazing, responsive. Everything, every part of the site is responsive. So you can edit your site. You can edit your site from the backend. So you can edit the full site from the backend to and it will reflect to your front end. So this is how the dashboard looks like on the responsive side. So you're having all the dashboard here. So I will leave the description. I will leave the link for the source code in the description and the preview link in the description, and all the details, all the pages that we didn't see, they will be left in the link below. So that's it for our multi-vendor platform. Uh, That's it for our multi-vendor platform. So continue to subscribe for more nice templates and more nice systems. Thank you very much.